Hey folks, Bigmista here, and I am piddling in the kitchen. Just gonna do a little cooking today. I'm gonna make some collard greens. Now this may not be your traditional collard greens. Maybe it is, I don't know. But don't come telling me about how your grandma did it, because this ain't it. Let's get busy. I don't really have any memories of eating collard greens. Well, cooking collard greens. My mom didn't really make them, my pop didn't. I don't have any memories of washing collard greens or cutting them or anything like that. So all my recipes are just kind of on my own. I did my research and picked out what I like the best, and that's what I do. So, onions, bell pepper, garlic, it's all good stuff. And what I do is I saute my greens. I try to save time where I can. So I saute the greens before I put any kind of broth on them. And I always add some meat, like this turkey leg I got from my friend Whitney. Nope, don't eat that. Let's put that in the meat. We just cut it off in pieces. That's a smoked turkey leg. I had a piece of another one, so it's good. It's going to add some good flavor to the greens. And you know what? We should probably add the bone in there too. That's a good flavor from the bone. And this is liquid gold right here. This is some concentrated chicken stock that I made. And when I say concentrated, I mean concentrated. Just came out the fridge. There's still stuff in that jar. Rinse that out. We're gonna mix all that stock in. It'll melt down and add a whole lot of extra flavor to the greens. It's an awful lot of mixing. Just get it all in there, man. It's really not that much work. But hey, this is something you can always have in your refrigerator. You pull it out, do the work once, eat a bunch of times. There we go. Rinse out that container. Don't leave anything behind. Like I said, that's liquid gold. And you gotta season my damn food with some salt and garlic. Don't be bashful. We're looking for flavor here. Got some onion powder. Yes, I know there's onions in there already, but some more onion powder won't hurt. Black pepper. Don't want her too peppery, but I like a little pepper in it. Some Italian seasoning or some herbaceousness. You know I love that word. Gonna have some cayenne. Need that spice, baby. And some white pepper too. My father always called them the three peppers: black, white, and red pepper. Need those like you need bell pepper, celery, and onion. And we're gonna add a little parsley for some more herbs. It kind of brightens them up. And we're just gonna let those simmer for about an hour, maybe 2 hours. Want to get them all nice and tender. Y'all, she didn't want no bowl. She going straight in the pot. Let's see how these greens taste. Just dripping all back in the pot. It's like that?
Yeah.
You ain't saying nothing, just yeah, huh? Hey folks, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. You know it helps with the algorithm. I'm trying to grow this channel. So like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about them collard greens. Check y'all later. Peace.